Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn how to create ER diagram in LucidChart. Then we are going to export the SQL query and we'll create those table in PostgreSQL. So let's get started. So here in left side, if you see right now I don't have ER diagram selected here, so I'll go to more shapes. And here I will go and search for ER diagram. So here you can see entity relationship. I will select this one, and then here I will go to template gallery and I will search for ER. So ER diagram, and out of this I will select this one, database ER diagram. Now I'm going to delete few of these things. So I'll delete few of them. So ER diagram is a entity relationship diagram. If you are creating a data warehouse, in data warehouse you will have multiple tables. Now how each of those tables are related, or those entity, how they are connected with each other, whether there is a one-to-n relationship or one-to-one relationship. So all these things we can define in ER diagram, and best part is once we have defined and created this diagram, we can export the SQL query and directly create the tables. So I'm going to delete all of these. Let me delete. Then here what we are going to do is we'll create three tables. One is employee, one is department, and one is address. So these three tables we are going to create. Let's name it here. This will be employee table, employee, and next one is department. So relationship in between employee and department is like there multiple employee can belongs to one department. So this will be many to one relationship. Now in case of employee and address, one employee can have multiple address. So here I have to change this one. So instead of one to one, I have to make it one to many. That one employee can have multiple address. Now let's define the attribute or columns. So here first column in employee table I will keep it as employee ID, and this employee ID will be my primary key, and data type is integer, and I will write primary key. Let me expand this one a little bit. And next attribute I'll say department ID. So this department ID, again this is an integer, and this ID will connect with department ID in department table. So here department ID, and in department table department ID is primary key, and data type is integer, primary key. And I'll keep some more columns like department name, and one more. So right click here, and then here we have one option, insert row below, and this will be department description or something like that, and these two are varchar. So department name I will give 25 character varchar, and description it will be little bit lengthy, so varchar 150. So department table is ready now, Now here, see this department ID, right now I have connected with the department name, so I have to change this one. From here I have to make it, so this is a little bit, now this is connected. So department ID here is connected with the department ID in department table. It's looking better. Now in address table we have columns like address ID. So here we'll have address ID, and this address ID is integer and it's primary key in address table. Now this address ID I have to add address ID here. No, I cannot add address ID, sorry, because one employee can have multiple address. So here I will add employee ID, and this one I have to shift, keep it above. So employee ID in employee table, that is a foreign key in address table. So like this we have connected this table here, dependency in address. So before I will make an entry in address table, I should have a valid employee ID. And similar to here, like I should have a department ID, then only I can make entry in employee table. So now next is for employee, I will keep something like skill 1, 2, something like that. Skill 1, 2, 3, like primary skill, secondary skill, tertiary skill, and all these are varchar. So varchar of 25. This also varchar 25. Next one varchar 25. So employee table is ready, department ready, address we have to add few more things. So let's add line 1, address line 1, then address line 2, and few more row I will add here, one for city and one for country. This will be city, then country. Employee ID will be integer, and all these are varchar. I'll keep 30. This one also varchar 30. City name I will keep 15. Country name also I will keep it 15. So with this our ER diagram is ready, where we have 3 tables: employee, department, address. Now let's see how easy it is. So I'll go to ER section here, and then I have one option called export. So I'll click on this export. Then I have option want to create this table in MySQL, Postgres, SQL Server, Oracle. So for me it's a PostgreSQL. So I'll select this one, then copy to clipboard. Next I will go to PG admin, and here in PG admin I already logged in. So right click and then query tool I will open, and here I will execute this query. These are table definitions, so I will execute this, and we can see here query returned successfully. And here if I'll refresh this part, we can see I have 3 different tables: address, department, employee. These got created. Now let's make some entry here. So below here I will make some entry into department table or some, or here also, let's say department table, I wanted to make some entry. So here I will just go to this place and so in this script I can say insert, and here I will give few details like department ID maybe 1 and department name is this one. I will give analytics or reporting. I will say reporting department, and here descriptions, this department take care for report generation. Let's run this query. Okay, here I'm getting error. So department name is varchar. So why we are getting error? Okay, no, it's not taking this one. Okay, maybe this is because instead of double quote, you have to give single quote here. Reporting. This one also I will change. Now let's execute this, and you can see query written successfully. Now if I'll query this particular table, select star from public department, we can see one record here, department ID 1, and department name is reporting, and this department take care for report generation. So this record we can see here.